So if you guys are like me and you're cheap and you like using P-clamps for doing like wires, fuel lines, fuel pumps, whatever, but they're fucking expensive. $1.98 for 2 of those bastards. Figured out a really cheap way to make it happen. This stuff, Home Depot, perforated hanger strap. You can make whatever size P-clamp you need. Use a socket to make it the size you need it. Put some heat shrink around it right here. Heat shrink them. Bam! Super fucking sloppy, cheap P-clamps, and they're like identical. But it's really easy to make them. I just measured the length I needed by wrapping it around the socket. Sorry, trying to use my phone. Like that. Cut it there. Bam. That piece cut. Do a heat shrink cut. Sure, piece cut. Maybe not. Everybody has these big rolls of heat shrink, right? I'm sure. Lay it out. Cut your heat shrink. Gotta make sure you tuck it between your legs like that. Cut it with your, make sure you're cutting it with tin snips. Heat shrink cuts best with tin snips. Oh fuck. Cell phone shit does not work, guys. I just want to keep on hold the phone up. Bam. So I put some hair around this. Slide that on there. Just till you have 2 eyelets open. 1 eyelet, 2 eyelet. Take and wrap it around your socket. Don't mind my fucking amazing camera skills here. I really missed my career opportunity being a paparazzi or something. I don't know. There you go. Take that bastard. You got. Boom. Get your little fucking crack torch out. If it'll light. If you haven't lit too many crack pipes with it. Melt that bastard. Bam. Motherfucking P-clamp. For what? That thing costs like 3 cents.